Okay, we have a TOS gap bed engine lathe, model SN63B. It is 25-inch swing, 34.5 in the gap. It's a removable gap bed by 80-inch centers. We're going to run it for you. Machine is nicely equipped. It has a 3-jaw chuck, steady rest, a Loris tool post, model DA. We're running at a low RPM, 10, which is the lowest. It goes from 10 up to 1,000 RPM. That's forward and reverse. You got hardened and ground bedways. Cross slides also very nice and clean. You have a 4-jaw chuck and a faceplate. The 3-jaw chuck is a 15.5-inch 3-jaw Rome. It has a 17.5-inch 4-jaw and a faceplate. Okay. Machine also comes equipped with an Accurite 2-axis digital readout. All right. We're going to forward and reverse. All right. That's forward actually. That's pretty fast speed. All right, we're feeding across. You can see it up on the digital readout as well. Reversing the cross. You can also see it on the digital readout, but we can see it on the carriage as well. Hold on, do it again. Yep, you can show the carriage moving. There it goes, cross slide. Now the longitudinal, which you see on the carriage and also on the digital readout. And reversing the carriage. Let it go. All right. You can see on the carriage. Yep. All right. Now we're going to engage the lead screw. Threading. And you can push down the half nut, and we're threading. Machine also has a thread dial indicator. All right, that's your compound, Loris tool post, steady rest, and your tailstock. Your tailstock is number 5 Morse taper. And that's your rack to move the tailstock along on. All right. Hey, I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.